The SOG Terminus XR is an everyday carry pocket knife with all the right ingredients to make it a fast favorite. Its stout drop point blade is made from durable D2 steel and measures exactly 3 inches. With an overall length of 7 inches, the Terminus XR doesn't take up much pocket space, leaving room for things like your wallet and keys. This unique knife can be opened by either using its thumb studs or flipper tab. It features a grippy G10 handle with the right amount of texture to provide confidence in use, but not so much that it tears up your hand. Its deep carry pocket clip is tough and made to hold the knife securely in your pocket. The SOG Terminus XR is available in several variants, including one with a D2 blade, another with a CTS BD1 blade, and one with an S35VN blade. Each of these knives come with a different color G10 or carbon fiber handle. Do you have a favorite SOG knife? Check out the link in the description to get yours today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.